Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to custom sort in Power BI. So let's say we have this visualization and I would like it to sort by category, right? Maybe the most important one would be office supply. So that one should come first, and then maybe furniture and then technology, right? Or we can leave it like this. But what is important is to just come to the left-hand panel, click on table view, and just go ahead and come here to home, click on enter data. So we're going to be creating a new table. Okay, I'll show you how to do this custom sorting. And we are going to name this custom sort. Okay, or let's name it sort order. Okay, so we'll name it that. And now we can type in data for our columns. So we're going to name this one category. Okay, and this one, let's name it rank. So we'll name this one rank. And let's assign ranks. So first let's have office supplies. Okay. And then let's go ahead and have this one as rank 1. Let's do technology as rank 2. There we go. And now let's have the last one. This one was furniture. Okay. And this is rank 3. Let me correct the spelling of furniture. Okay, now we just need to load this. So there we go, click on load. It would create a new sheet right here, a new table for us. And it's going to detect relationships for us automatically. As you can see, it tried to detect. So if we come back here, we have a relationship created with the category and this one, the category on sort order. As you can see, it is a many to one relationship. So now if I come back here to report view, all we need to do, come here to the left-hand panel, click on table view, and under column tools, okay, just select category, right? After we've selected this, I want you to click on sort by column, and we're going to be sorting this by rank. There we go. And it's going to work on this, so just give it a few moments. And once this is done, we'll go back right here to our report view. Okay. Now here in the right-hand panel, we have our sort order. And for example here, in the x-axis, we're sorting by this category under orders. So what we just need to do is bring in the one from our sort order. So I'll toggle this one on. Okay. This one came under legend. What we can do is just undo this. We'll bring it under x-axis. So we'll just go ahead and drag it here. And we'll remove the first one, as you can see. And now it is sorting using our ranking, which was office supplies, technology, and then furniture. So that is how, guys, you can do your custom sorts. Really that easy and simple.